Welcome to Brave the Adventures. Come with me as I stay at Blackpool Pleasure Beach Boulevard Hotel. The Boulevard is Blackpool Pleasure Beach premier hotel, and as you can see, the reason for this is largely to do with the location of the hotel and its proximity to the pleasure beach itself. It also has this fantastic shared opening with the Big Blue Hotel next door for exclusive park guests only, which you can access the park through this entrance between 10 and 12:30 daily. The hotel has just been voted the best luxury hotel in Northern Europe for the second year running. I'm staying in an executive double room here at the Boulevard, costing £116 a night. Let's take a tour of this wonderful room. The first thing that I will say is throughout the hotel and the rooms itself, there is an absolutely beautiful smell that fills the hotel. It is absolutely divine. And as I enter into my hotel room, you can see I've got a really good space bathroom here. The Blackpool Pleasure Beach do really well at providing toiletries, so everything is provided that you need. And then you've also got a good range of towels and spare toilet roll as well. I'm only staying for one night, but I've got plenty of towels and toilet roll for my stay. Really love the fact that I've got all of these toiletries, which are Boulevard branded, which I love. And then you've also got quite a large bath and shower combined, which is actually bigger than a standard and bigger than the one that I had at the Big Blue next door. So really looking forward to jumping in this after a cold day at the Pleasure Beach, because it's been freezing today. Into the room itself, plenty of storage for what you need for a one night stay. Got a little cupboard area here. What's in here? Oh, lovely. Got a little mini fridge, so if you were staying for a bit longer, you could actually store kind of drinks and snacks in here. And as I expected with the Pleasure Beach hotels, they have stocked up ready with water and also milk, so that when I have a warm cup of tea, the milk is ready. So that's a really nice little touch into this room. As I said, plenty of storage space and an ironing board and iron as well as standard. Into the main living area of this room, you've got a king size bed here, which looks so comfortable, and I do like this throw at the bottom. It's really nice colours. It's a really light, airy room. It's hard to show you just how light it is, because actually outside it's quite grey and dark. It is now kind of coming into the evening, but it's been a particularly cold and grey day at the Pleasure Beach as well. A full length mirror and a really good sized flat screen TV with all the information that you need to know about the hotel itself, including Pleasure Beach information, shows and events, and dining as well. So this hotel offers a bar area for casual dining, which doesn't need to be booked, and it also offers an a la carte restaurant that you are recommended to book as well. And you can add dining onto your package here at the Boulevard. I've chosen not to have chosen a room only package, but you can add breakfast as well, I think for about £20 per night. So a little bit pricey for breakfast, but I would imagine it's of a very high quality. What's nice about this room is, even though it's not a suite, I've got plenty of kind of living space here with a really nice table to look out on the amazing view, and also a desk and seating area here, which if I take you over to, I absolutely adore these mugs. And I'm guessing this is why you have to put a £100 deposit on your room when you check in, because I would really like to take this home with me. But I of course will not, because I do not want to sabotage my deposit. I will fess up and say there were 2 packs of Walker's biscuits. Obviously Rob was supposed to join me on this trip and wasn't able to due to his injury, and I have eaten the packet of those biscuits, so I do apologise. There were 2. And just everything that you would expect, same as the Big Blue Hotel next door. You've got your Boulevard themed hot chocolate and coffees. It's just really done to a really high quality here at the Boulevard and the Pleasure Beach hotels themselves. The main thing I absolutely adore about this room is right out the window. I have literally got, if I scroll all the way up, I have got the big one drop right outside my window, which earlier I was able to watch, and I almost didn't go to the pleasure beach because I was so engrossed in just sitting in the warm watching the big one come down. I've also got obviously a whole medley of pleasure beach coasters here, which is just absolutely fantastic. So I didn't pay extra for this view, but I am incredibly impressed with it. It just shows the closeness of the proximity of this hotel to the pleasure beach itself. And obviously just outside there you can see is the car park, and my car is parked directly under the big one track, which I did deliberately because I wanted to hear it roar around earlier, and it didn't disappoint. It's just worth noting that when you do book a stay at the Boulevard, parking is not included, and parking is £25 a night, which is more expensive than at the Big Blue next door, which I believe is only £10 per night. So that is something to factor in, that you will need to pay for your parking on top of that. All in all though, I think the room is excellent value for money. I'm staying on a March Saturday night. It's quite busy at the pleasure beach today, so it's, even though it is off season, it's still fairly busy at the pleasure beach. I'm really looking forward to getting in that lovely warm bath. I've got plenty of space in this room, and I would definitely recommend a stay at the Boulevard. And I'm looking forward to then going downstairs and grabbing some food at the bar, and potentially 1 or 2 drinks as well. So just thought I would do a sum up of my time spent at the Boulevard Hotel. It's the next morning. I've lost an hour of sleep due to the clocks going forward. However, what I will say about the Boulevard is I have had the best night's sleep in any hotel I've ever had. This bed is the most comfortable. It is absolutely spot on. So in terms of getting a good night's sleep after a full day at the pleasure beach, cannot go wrong with the Boulevard. Last night I ate in the bar area of the restaurant. Excellent service, really great. If I had to make a kind of small point, the bar menu is a little bit small. It's not quite as wide a menu as maybe I would have expected, and it's mostly kind of sandwiches and hot sandwiches, which for a main meal I wasn't really wanting, so do bear that in mind. And then you have got the option of a la carte, which is obviously there, and it was really busy last night, so it does show that it's obviously a very popular choice. And yeah, it was just a brilliant stay. The hotel is exceptionally clean, the staff have all been wonderful, and yeah, just had an excellent stay here at the Boulevard. I'm looking out now watching the Big Dipper testing, and hopefully Big One, which if you've watched my other video here, you'll see that unfortunately I did not get on the Big One yesterday. And if you are debating a stay between the Boulevard or the Big Blue, please check out our other video where we stay at the Big Blue Hotel. Thanks ever so much for braving the adventures with me. Do continue to like and subscribe to our channel for further videos, and we'll be with you again shortly. Bye bye!